In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best cordless impact drills available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the cordless impact drills list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cordless impact drills mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Makita DDF487 18V Impact Drill. The Makita DDF487 is a powerful 18V brushless cordless impact drill ideal for both professional and DIY users. Featuring a robust brushless motor, it delivers high efficiency, long runtime, and minimal maintenance. This drill is perfect for heavy-duty woodworking, decoration projects, and assembly tasks. Compact and lightweight, it offers excellent handling and precision, while the included 18V battery ensures you have power for extended work sessions. Durable, reliable, and efficient, the Makita DDF487 is a top choice for any toolbox. Number 4, PROSTORMER 17V Brushless Mini Drill. The PROSTORMER 17V brushless cordless drill offers precision and versatility for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a rated torque of 55 Nm and a lightweight design of 1.38 kg, it is perfect for woodworking, home repairs, and small-scale construction. Its 5-piece bit set allows quick tool changes, while the brushless motor ensures efficient performance and longer battery life. Compact yet powerful, this mini drill is easy to handle, making repetitive drilling and screwing tasks less tiring. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Number 3, NeoPower 18V Cordless Impact Drill. The NeoPower 18V Cordless Impact Drill is designed for high torque performance and durability. With a 150 Nm brushless motor, it handles heavy-duty drilling tasks with ease, making it suitable for professional decoration teams or DIY projects. Its battery-powered operation allows flexibility and portability, while the compact design ensures comfortable handling in tight spaces. Lightweight yet powerful, this drill is perfect for wood, metal, and general home applications. Reliable, efficient, and built to last, NeoPower delivers professional-grade results. Number 2, PATUOPRO 10mm Cordless Drill. The PATUOPRO 10mm Cordless Brushless Drill is a versatile and lightweight tool for home DIY projects. Offering 50 to 80 Nm torque and 2-speed operation, it provides precise control for screwing, drilling, and light metalwork. Its compact size, 3/8 metal chuck, and brushless motor make it efficient and long-lasting. The drill is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, providing convenience and power for extended use. Ergonomic and reliable, the PATUOPRO cordless drill is ideal for homeowners, hobbyists, and professional DIYers who need accuracy and ease of use. Number 1, DEWALT DCD805 20V Brushless Impact Drill. This is a compact 20V lithium battery-powered impact drill designed for professionals who demand power and efficiency. Featuring a brushless motor, it provides high torque with reduced maintenance and extended battery life. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during prolonged work sessions, while the compact form allows access to tight spaces. Ideal for construction, woodworking, and general home repairs, the DEWALT DCD805 delivers precision, reliability, and consistent performance. This drill is perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable tool.